Hello boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to my kitchen here in sunny, beautiful Brisbane, Australia. And today I'm thinking about Brazil because in just a few weeks' time we'll be in Brazil for their beautiful Carnaval Celebration, Facilitating a Right Voice for You Masterclass and the Facilitators Class. So in honor of that and to get in the spirit, I thought I would teach everybody how to make the national cocktail of Brazil, the Caipirinha. So it's very easy to make, and some of the ingredients you may or may not have, but I'm going to teach you some substitutes as well. All right, so the first thing you're going to need is some fruit. Traditionally, the Caipirinha is made with lime. So I've got some limes here because that's what we're going to use today, but you can substitute in strawberries, kiwis, pineapples, get creative, whatever floats your boat and the flavor that you like. Then you're going to need some crushed ice, of which I have here. If you have a muddler is a great tool to have, but it's not exactly necessary. Basically, it's just going to be to smash the fruit in the bottom of the glass, okay? Then you're going to need, the national alcohol of Brazil is called cachaça. Now, this you may not have, so if you don't, you can actually use rum. I know the Brazilians probably wouldn't like it very much, but it is possible if you don't have cachaça. And cachaça is an alcohol made with sugarcane, and it has a bit of an earthy flavor as a result. So that's that. Now, Brazilians also quite often you'll find on the menu serve this with sake. So if you have Japanese sake at home, that's another thing you can use. So the only other ingredient and the last thing you need to use is sugar, just plain old sugar. You can use sort of a coarser grain sugar like a raw sugar or just white like I'm using today. So to start with, you take your lime or your fruit, and I am just going to cut this into wedges, like so. I'm just going to use 2 or 3 in the bottom of the glass, and plop them in the bottom of the glass, like so. And then, after adding just a couple teaspoons of sugar, you can use less, you can use a little more, it's purely up to your taste. But you just add a few teaspoons of sugar, and then as I said earlier with the muddler, you're just going to crush all this together so that the juice from the lime starts to make a bit of a syrup in the bottom of the glass with all that sugar. That's looking pretty good. Again, you can use more fruit if you choose, but I'm choosing just a few wedges of lime there. And then to that, we're just going to add some crushed ice. I just have some here that I had in the freezer, and it doesn't need to be too fussy. It can be a little chunkier or finer as you prefer. Now we take our cachaça, and essentially this cocktail, other than the sugar and the fruit, is pure alcohol. So I'm doing 1, and I'm doing 2 shots of cachaça. Use my little spoon from the sugar here again. Give it a little mix, and cheers. Here's to Brazil and our adventure for Right Voice for You. Lovely.